Hi everyone, 你好. So today we are still going to use a piece of paper to create some amazing crafts. This is what we are going to make today. Two cute pandas hand in hand with each other. Do you guys like pandas? The word panda in Mandarin is actually very interesting. It consists of two animals, which is bear, 熊, and cat, 猫. So actually, panda in Mandarin, we call it bear cat, which is 熊猫, 熊猫. So by learning the name of panda, which is 熊猫, you are actually learning three animals at the same time: the bear, the cat, and the panda. So to get started, we need a piece of A4 paper or any rectangle paper works. And we need pencil and eraser to draw the outline of the panda, and a scissor to cut, and also a black pen. It could be color pen or like I'm using a marker. That would be fine. Let's get started. So we get this piece of paper. We will first of all fold it in half along the long edge. Okay. After folding it once, we are going to fold it again. So we are actually folding this paper into a narrow, long rectangle. Following the same direction, we fold it this way and just same direction. Fold it again in half until we get this long and narrow rectangle. Actually, that's all the folding that we need for this piece of paper. When we lift up this piece of paper, we can see there are two edges on the side. Okay, two sides. One of the edge is connected, so this side and this side, they are connected, but the other edge is open. Okay, so actually what we are going to do next is we are going to draw half of a panda on this piece of paper. But in the end, as we have folded this paper for 2 times, in the end, so in the end, after cutting it, I'm getting actually 2 pandas. All right. So to start, we will. It's very necessary you check the edges. We are going to draw a panda like on this side of the paper with the closed edge. Okay, I'll show you how to. So I am going to place this paper like this with the closed edge on the left and the open edge on the right. What I'm going to do with my paper is this side is connected, so my panda, I will start with a head. Okay, so because I'm only drawing half of a panda, so I'm only drawing the half of its head there, and that's enough. Okay, also 1 ear, so when we cut it and open it up, there will be 2 ears. Okay, round ears. Okay, and because I want my pandas to be holding hands, what I'm going to do is when I draw the arms and together with the hands of the panda, the claws of the pandas. I'm not going to draw the whole claw, the whole hand of the pandas. I'm going to leave some space. I have an imaginary whole claw of the panda outside of the paper, but actually they are cut by the paper. So actually, if you could imagine, I'm drawing the complete hand of the panda, but the tip of the hand, the tip of this claw is outside of the paper. So after this step, when we cut it out and open, the pandas will be holding hands with each other. And after that, the body part of the panda. I would like my panda to be sitting, so I'm drawing the leg this way. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want the pandas to be standing, you draw standing legs, okay? Alright, so this is the shape outline of my panda. So also, we will draw the eyes part of the panda later, but we want a little cute round nose. So I'm drawing half of a circle here. So here I already have the shape outline of my panda. So the next step is to cut out this shape. Just cut along the lines that we just drew on the paper. Slowly and carefully. Remember, you don't need to cut this line because this is just the shape for us to, to help us to draw the head of this panda, but all we need is the outline of the panda. So avoid cutting that and just go with the outline. Continue. Okay, now the ear part. Okay, there. Okay, we finished. All right, we finished cutting. So we will try to open it up to see how the panda looks like. Well, with no color, it actually looks like bear. So that's why panda has got a word meaning bear in the Chinese name. Okay, so the next step, we're just going to color these pandas. Oh, we forgot the nose and the mouth. Okay, let's carefully, this is a little bit tricky, just cut it very carefully. A very small circle. We don't need to make it too big. Just a cute little nose will be okay. And then the smiling mouth. Of the panda. As we open it up, it looks like this now. You will see these two pandas holding hands with each other. Is their only connected part is their hands, and they just look totally the same. So next step, we're just going to color the pandas. Okay. So what I do is I first draw a little circle for the eyes, another one on the left. I want these pandas to be smiling and looks really happy, so like that. Okay, so it is actually smiling, looking very happy. Okay, and I will draw another circle like out of this circle. Okay, this one too. All right, next, as we know, pandas, they have this black part around their eyes, which makes them looking really innocent and cute. And I'm going to draw this part. Okay, and then color this space between this circle, the bigger circle, and the outline of this shape. Okay. There it is. Okay, and same to the left eye. Okay, and the pandas are black and white. What color are their ears? Actually, they are black. They have black ears. Oops. So we color their ears black. Okay, and actually their legs and arms are of black color, so we also color their arms and legs into black color. Okay, so this panda already looks very cute here. Okay, so I believe you could do the rest of the part. So next, I will leave you to your own drawing and coloring of your panda until you get these pandas looking like this. Right, two pandas joining hands together. And don't worry if your panda looks, different from mine, because actually everybody should get their own version of panda, and they could be thinner, they could be fatter. It's just depending on the way you draw it, like before the cutting. So don't worry. Each of your pandas will get their unique look, and they are just totally different from any other pandas in the world. Okay, there you go. Hope you enjoy.